Problem 1. For the given figure, calculate the values of all the unknown angles represented by variables. Solution: 2a plus a minus 30 equals 90 degrees, as these angles are adjacent complementary angles. Hence, 3a equals 120 degrees. Hence, a equals 40 degrees. C equals 2a plus a minus 30 plus 20, as vertically opposite angles are equal. Substituting the value of a, we get C equals 110 degrees. G equals C equals 110 degrees, as corresponding angles are equal. E equals C equals 110 degrees, as alternate angles are equal. B equals 180 minus 110 equals 70 degrees, as co-interior angles are supplementary. F equals B equals 70 degrees, as corresponding angles are equal. H equals F equals 70 degrees, as vertically opposite angles are equal. D equals H equals 70 degrees, as corresponding angles are equal.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.